we are thriving under stress. There's a stress of meeting a particular deadline. So it goes down to the way that a person reacts to stress. Some people, we fight under stress. Some people, we fly away when we feel stress. Hey there, this is Benjamin from Livesmart Asia here. Once a month, the Livesmart community gathers together and we learn more together. So, enjoy, watch, and share this video if you want to. See you at the next Parenting Tribe. Today's topic is one of my most passionate topics about turning stressful experiences for your children into thriving ones. And we are facing stress every single day. As parents, we are under stress, we have our work stress, we think about our children, we feel stress. But here's the thing. Is stress good or bad? It really depends on situation. It can also depend on the way that we react to stress. Because some of us, right, if we feel stress for a prolonged period, we just don't react to it, or we react to it very negatively. So much so that the moment we feel stress, we drop everything and we cannot think. We are overloaded with things. That goes to the extreme bad. But for some of us, right, we are thriving under stress. When there's a stress of meeting a particular deadline, we tend to work faster, we become more focused. So it goes down to the way that a person reacts to stress, that fight or flight symptom. Some people, we fight under stress. Some people, we fly away when we feel stress. So it really depends on the kind of reaction. Now, stress can also be good. A good amount of stress can be sometimes good, but too much of an amount of stress and the way that we react to it can sometimes be bad as well. Now, so there are different types of stress. Positive stress sometimes cause brief increase in the heart rate, mild elevation in stress hormone level, right? Tolerable ones, serious temporary stress responses buffered by supportive relationship. Now, toxic, this is what I mean by a prolonged activation of stress response system in the absence of protective relationship. So toxic stress becomes like we really don't know how to deal with it. We just give up. We don't want to do anything at all. And the way that we react is very bad. So it really depends on your response and reaction to stress. So the question is, what's the impact of toxic stress for our children? Now, according to nationwidechildrens.org, toxic stress weakens the architect of the developing brain, which can lead to prolonged problems in learning behavior and physical and mental health. When a child experiences toxic stress, HPA hormones is overactivated. Blood levels of the stress hormone being higher and can result in long-term inflammation or immunity. ACE, adverse childhood experiences, shows that adverse childhood experiences in category of abuse, household challenges, and neglect are not only associated with worse mental health outcomes, but also chronic health condition. Now, this is to say that too much stress, overexposure, and all that kind of thing is actually very bad for our children. And of course, it's also bad for ourselves as adults. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy yourself. You learn something. I hope you find the session useful. We do this once every month for parents because we want to build a strong community to focus and grow together to really help our children become stronger. If you've learned something, that's great. Drop us an email. Let us know what you learned. So thank you all. Catch you guys. Have a good one. Thank you.